In this question, an incomplete reaction series is given. We have to identify the final major product D in this reaction sequence. The reaction is starting from ethanol. This ethanol on reaction with phosphorus and iodine, they are producing some intermediate compound A. So first of all, we need to know the complete reactions involving here. And the overall reaction can be represented as given here. That is, the alcohol on reaction with phosphorus and iodine, they will produce iodoethane. That is, the hydroxyl group will be substituted by iodine. So the product A is iodoethane. Now this iodoethane on reaction with magnesium in dry ether medium, they will produce an intermediate CH3CH2MgI. This is a type of Grignard reagent with a common formula RMgX. Now this Grignard reagent on reaction with formaldehyde, they will produce another intermediate C, and this intermediate will undergo hydrolysis to produce the major product of the reaction, that is N-propyl alcohol, or simply we can say propanol. Now let's come to the options given here. The first option is given as propyl alcohol. This is the product of the reaction. And the second option is wrong, that is given as isopropyl alcohol, which is not producing in the reaction. And the third one is given as propanol, the aldehyde which cannot be produced by the end of the reaction. And the fourth one is propionic acid. Acids cannot be produced by the reaction of aldehyde with Grignard reagent. So the correct answer is option A, N-propyl alcohol.